Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for stopping in for yet another fun little unboxing and try on haul with yours truly. Today I have another fun little unboxing from Red Dress Boutique. I have another order because I absolutely loved everything that I got in that first order so much that I had to do a little bit more shopping, and this time I did a little more damage. I have not even opened anything. As you can see, it's all still wrapped up. So join me on this little fun try on haul with me. But before we get to any of that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if these types of things are things that you like to see, because that just lets me know that you guys like these try on hauls and like seeing these unboxings for me to do more for you. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it so much if you would just hit that little heart there in the corner of the screen and subscribe to my channel, because I do lots of these different fashion and beauty type hauls. Also, I'm gonna throw in some more of that fitness inspo for you all as well. So if that's things that you're into, make sure that you stay tuned and you hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell. That way you are always notified every time I upload a video for you. All right, and here is the first look right out of the box. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this. This is so cute, and it just screams spring and summer, and I just cannot wait because I'm so ready for like shorts and tanks and just cute, fun little girly things. And this, oh my God, okay, this top, first of all, like I am obsessed with just like this cute little like, it has a tight, I can't even talk. That's how excited I am about this right now. Also, by the way, I'm filming on my phone right now because my camera decided to take like a shit again. So we're trying to figure out everything with that. And so that's why I'm kind of like makeshifting to get this all to you, but not stopping. So anyways, back to the clothes now. I absolutely think this top is so adorable because it has like this cute, like thick elastic scrunch right there underneath the chest. And then this adorable little ruffle flare that goes all the way around the back. I love that it has like that lower back to it. That way you can like really just show off your back muscles, because I think that's really hot. It's really supportive actually. The straps are adjustable. I actually had to tighten them quite a bit. And I actually am wearing this with a strapless. I would almost say that I wouldn't necessarily need them. You can maybe do like the little pasties just so I wouldn't have to worry about the back showing. I think this top is just so adorable. It also came in two other colors. This is the orange, like coral color. It came in red and like this kind of brighter daisy sunshine yellow. Now these shorts, okay, I've been like obsessing over white lately. I'm not gonna lie, but I love these high-waisted shorts. I think they are so cute. Let's see if you can get, oh, there they are. And at least you can have my mirror there to get also a back view too. But so they're nice and high-waisted, they're buttoned up. And then I love that it has this high little slit there on the side because it just shows like a little extra leg. But they're longer on the inside, which is amazing. If you're like me, I always have a hard time with shorts because typically girls were always like yanking them down as we walk because they tend to ride up, and it's really annoying. But these are really cute because even though they're high-waisted and they feel really short, it has like the longer material on the inside of the thigh, so I don't feel like I'm hanging out. This belt is also from Red Dress Boutique. It's just a simple basic white belt, and I actually bought this to go with a different dress that will be coming up here soon. You'll see it, I'll just put it all together. But yeah, I just thought it was really nice to throw on with these jeans, and I love how it just has so many holes because honestly there was no sizing on the site. but it just has all of these holes to where I can wear it either around my hips, and I could also wear it up around the waist. And another orange top that I think is adorable and super girly is this little tank top. I must have been on like a kick for orange because usually that's not my go-to, but today you're getting lots of orange and lots of white. I love the like box neckline. I just think that kind of is really flattersome and kind of just covers up and just shows off, like if you work out, shows off your nice round shoulders. So I think this is really cute. The only downfall is that the button right there at the top, and then it has an elastic button right there where it's supposed to keep it pinched together, and the elastic was already popped, so that's not fun. All right, friends, and I had to swap the angle because I have a jumpsuit on now, which is definitely not usually my style. I absolutely think that the top portion of this jumper is really, really cute with like the buttons right here and the little ruffle frill shoulder. I think that's absolutely adorable. It does have pockets. You can see that it does have a layer of a short underneath. That way it's not see-through. I just don't know if I'm the type of gal that can pull off the jumpsuit, but I got this in a medium. It fits me great as far as that goes. We'll just have to think on this one. And here is another find, and it's this really cute maxi dress. So this top portion is just like this smocked elastic and around the arms as well. I think it's really nice because it makes you look super fitted, but I always really am not a fan of these because it just seems to cut in right along the chest. So unless I keep my hair there in front of it, I'm like not a fan. I will say though that I really do love this skirt. I love how flowy it is, and it just has like this little slit, so it's like nice and open, which in the wind, make sure that you are paying attention to that. Jumper that I actually am really kind of loving. I mean, look at how cute this like ruffle top portion is. It basically has this V neckline here, and then it has a ruffle that goes underneath, and then it zips up the back. I can't really get turned around for you to see it right now, but it has these cute little button details in the front, this little tie bow around the waist to like really pull it all in. You obviously can see that it has the short lining, but I would much rather be seeing that than seeing like through otherwise. It has pockets. This one maybe just fits me better all around just because it's a little more form-fitting through the bodice. And also I did get this in a size small because they said that it was running big on the model. So maybe that also has something to do with it. But I really think this is actually super cute, and I might be able to pull this one off. I think this would be adorable with like a cute little wedge. You could also do like a plain old like flat girly like maybe bow sandal, but yeah, I think this one is a winner actually. I'm real excited. And this is the last look that I have from Red Dress Boutique. This was one of the items that I like really super duper fell in love with when I was shopping online. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little let down with it. First of all, this is how they pictured it exactly online. The belt, where I need to put it for it to like cover the seam of the dress, I would have to add another notch, which isn't necessarily a big deal. I'm totally fine doing that. But I didn't even realize when I had it on with my shorts, there's nowhere to put the tongue of the belt. So this is kind of a dilemma if I wanted to wear this together. So we'll just take that off for right now. So I got this in a medium because they were all sold out in the small, and the medium actually fits me okay. I feel like a small maybe would be too tight around the top, or it might be too short as far as that goes with the length. I do love the pockets, and I love that it has the flowy feel and it's like the button all the way down. it is completely sheer, like see-through. You can kind of see I have a nude bra on. You can kind of still see that underneath this dress. I do think this is like a super sweet and just like a little casual day dress, like to walk around if you're shopping, having brunch, but it's see-through. All right, so there was one more thing that I wanted to show you, and it's these little blue, wait, what are they? These blue light little glasses. I've been hearing a lot about this like trend, I guess, because we all know how bad that is. It's like really harsh on your eyes. So they've been making these blue light glasses, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first put these on, I was like, I look like an idiot. I haven't really tried this round style before. I just have to get used to them on my face. I don't necessarily think that they look too bad. Even me just putting them on right there, I can totally see like a difference. Let me know what you think. I mean, I kind of feel really smart in them, actually, I'm not gonna lie. And that is a wrap of this unboxing and try-on haul from Red Dress Boutique. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please give this video a thumbs up. That is always so greatly appreciated. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, just hit that button and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you are always notified every time I upload a video. I would love to hear from you. Please just leave anything you want to right down below. I will have everything listed so it's easy for you to shop. Other than that, I will see you all later, friends. Bye.